Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And yeah, here has been the phone previously, and if you remove this complete white box here, then you will find here on the back of it the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, here on the other side of the SIM tray. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well, that's well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and as you can see, the contacts they are on top. Okay, if you want, you can add now on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card if you want. Let's do it here. Press it well from both sides if you have inserted two SIM cards here at the SIM tray. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So the same thing like at the first SIM card, so the missing corner to the missing corner, and the contacts they are on top. And if you're ready with, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.